Imagine a world where the music of nature begins to fade. The gentle rustling of leaves, the melodic chirping of birds, and the soothing sounds of flowing rivers all start to diminish. The once vibrant symphony of life that filled our forests, meadows, and oceans slowly becomes a distant memory, where vibrant colors disappear and the sounds of life are no more. Picture the lush greens of the rainforest turning to a dull gray, the brilliant blues of the ocean fading to a lifeless hue, and the rich tapestry of colors that once painted our world becoming a monochrome canvas. This is the tragic reality of extinction. It's not just the loss of individual animals, but the erasure of entire species that once played crucial roles in their ecosystems. The extinction of a species is a silent catastrophe, a slow and often unnoticed decline that leads to a permanent void. It's a loss that echoes through the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. Each species, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, contributes to the intricate balance of nature. The disappearance of one species can set off a chain reaction, disrupting food webs, altering habitats, and affecting countless other organisms. Biodiversity, the incredible variety of life on Earth, is a precious gift. It encompasses the vast array of plants, animals, fungi, and microorganisms that inhabit our planet. This diversity is not just beautiful to behold, it is essential for the health and stability of our environment. Every species plays a role, a vital thread in the intricate web of life. From the tiniest insects to the largest mammals, each organism has a purpose, contributing to the overall functioning of ecosystems. Pollinators like bees and butterflies help plants reproduce, predators keep prey populations in check, and decomposers break down organic matter, recycling nutrients back into the soil. When a species vanishes, that web weakens. The loss of a single species can have far-reaching consequences, affecting other species and the ecosystem as a whole. For example, the decline of a predator can lead to an overpopulation of prey, which in turn can overgraze vegetation, leading to soil erosion and habitat degradation. It's like losing a piece of a puzzle, leaving a void that can never be filled. Each piece of the puzzle is unique and irreplaceable, and without it, the picture is incomplete. The loss of a species is a permanent gap in the tapestry of life, a reminder of what once was and what can never be again. In this essay, we journey into the stories of three incredible creatures now lost to us forever. The Spix's macaw, a brilliant blue parrot from Brazil, the Tasmanian devil, a fierce marsupial from Australia, and the western black rhinoceros, a majestic giant from Africa. Each of these species had unique characteristics and played important roles in their respective ecosystems. Their stories are not just about individual species. They are about the interconnectedness of life and the profound impact that the loss of one species can have on the entire ecosystem. The extinction of these animals is a stark reminder of the fragility of life and the importance of preserving biodiversity. They are about the impact of human actions and the urgent need for conservation. Habitat destruction, climate change, pollution, and overexploitation are all driving forces behind the current extinction crisis. It is up to us to take action, to protect and restore habitats, to reduce our carbon footprint, and to support conservation efforts around the world. The future of countless species depends on the choices we make today. Deep in the heart of Brazil, a flash of blue once danced across the sky. This was the Spix's macaw, a bird of breathtaking beauty. Its feathers, a vibrant azure, shimmered under the Brazilian sun. The Spix's macaw called the dry forests of northeastern Brazil its home. These forests, with their gnarled trees and thorny bushes, provided shelter and sustenance. The macaw's loud squawks, a symphony of the wild, once filled the air. Imagine the most brilliant blue you've ever seen. Now picture it covering a bird, every feather a testament to nature's artistry. That was the Spix's macaw. Its long tail feathers trailed behind it like a blue ribbon, catching the light with each graceful flight. The macaw's beak, powerful and curved, was designed to crack open the toughest nuts. Sadly, the Spix's macaw is no longer with us. Its story is a tragic tale of habitat loss and the devastating impact of the illegal pet trade. As humans cut down forests, the macaw's home vanished. The capture of these beautiful birds for private collections further decimated their numbers. The last known wild Spix's macaw disappeared in 2000, a poignant reminder of our impact on the natural world. Section 5. A devil in the darkness, the Tasmanian devil. Far away on the island of Tasmania lived another unique creature, the Tasmanian devil. Don't let the name fool you. This creature, while fierce in its own way, was a marsupial, more closely related to a kangaroo than a devil. The Tasmanian devil was a stocky creature, about the size of a small dog. Its black fur, often marked with white patches, concealed a powerful bite. This, combined with its eerie screeches, gave it a reputation for ferocity. Section 6. The Unfair Fight, Disease, and the Tasmanian Devil. The Tasmanian Devil's story, like that of the Spix's macaw, is one of tragedy. This time, the culprit wasn't habitat loss, but a devastating disease. Devil facial tumor disease, a contagious cancer, swept through the Tasmanian devil population. This gruesome disease caused large tumors to grow on their faces, making it difficult for them to eat and ultimately leading to their demise. The disease decimated the population, pushing them closer to the brink of extinction. Section 7. An ancient giant, the western black rhinoceros. Our journey takes us now to the savannas of Africa, home to the majestic western black rhinoceros. This magnificent creature, with its imposing size and distinctive horns, was once a symbol of the African wilderness. Weighing up to 2 tons, the western black rhino was a powerful herbivore. Its 2 horns, made of keratin, were used for defense and for foraging. Sadly, these very horns became a symbol of their demise. Section 8. Horns of Tragedy. The Plight of the Rhino. The story of the western black rhinoceros is a stark reminder of the devastating consequences of human greed. This magnificent creature was hunted relentlessly for its horns, which were falsely believed to have medicinal properties. Despite conservation efforts, the relentless poaching continued, driving the western black rhino to extinction. In 2011, the world received the heartbreaking news: the western black rhino was no more. Section 9. The Echoes of Loss, Remembering the Extinct. In this chapter, we delve into the poignant stories of species that have vanished from our world, leaving behind only memories and lessons. The stories of the Spix's macaw, a vibrant blue parrot that once graced the skies of Brazil, the Tasmanian devil, a unique marsupial from Australia known for its fierce demeanor, and the western black rhinoceros, a majestic creature that roamed the African savannas, are just a few examples of the many species we've lost. Each of these animals played a crucial role in their ecosystems, and their absence has left a void that cannot be filled. Each extinction is a tragedy, a permanent loss for our planet. The disappearance of these species is not just a loss of biodiversity, but a loss of the intricate web of life that sustains us all. As we listen to the silence where their songs once filled the air, we are reminded of the beauty and fragility of life. The quiet spaces where they once thrived now echo with their absence. We must remember the lessons their stories teach us. These extinctions serve as a stark reminder of the consequences of our actions and the urgent need for conservation. We must acknowledge the impact of our actions on the natural world. Deforestation, pollution, and climate change are just a few of the ways we have contributed to the decline of species. It is crucial to understand that we are not separate from nature but a part of it. Our survival is intertwined with the health of the ecosystems around us. By protecting and preserving the natural world, we are also safeguarding our own future. Let us honor the memory of these extinct species by committing to a more sustainable and harmonious relationship with nature. Section 10. Our turn to act, preventing future extinctions. The loss of these incredible creatures is a stark reminder of the fragility of life on Earth. But their stories are not just tales of loss. They are calls to action, urging us to protect the precious biodiversity that remains. We must act now to protect endangered species and their habitats. This means supporting conservation efforts, reducing our carbon footprint, and making conscious consumer choices. Section 11. A Hope for the Future. In a world where challenges seem insurmountable, it's easy to lose sight of the light at the end of the tunnel. But amidst the darkness, there is always a glimmer of hope, a spark that can ignite change. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the scale of the challenge, but there is always hope. Hope is not just a feeling, it is a powerful force that drives us to take action, to make a difference no matter how small. By working together, we can create a future where both people and wildlife can thrive. Imagine a world where humans and nature coexist in harmony, where the air is clean, the water is pure, and the land is fertile. This vision is not a distant dream, but a tangible reality that we can achieve through collective effort. Remember, every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. Whether it's planting a tree, reducing plastic use, or participating in a local cleanup, these small acts of conservation can have a ripple effect, creating waves of positive change that spread far and wide. Let the stories of the Spix's macaw, the Tasmanian devil, and other endangered species serve as a reminder of what we stand to lose if we do not act. These creatures, once on the brink of extinction, have been given a second chance through dedicated conservation efforts. And the western black rhino not be in vain, but a catalyst for change. Their survival stories are not just tales of triumph, but also calls to action, urging us to continue the fight for conservation, but a catalyst for change. Let their memory inspire us to protect the incredible diversity of life on Earth for generations to come. We must be the stewards of this planet, ensuring that future generations inherit a world teeming with life and beauty. Let their memory inspire us to protect the incredible diversity of life on Earth for generations to come. Together, we can build a future where hope is not just a fleeting emotion, but a lasting legacy, a testament to our commitment to preserving the natural world.